Hey guys, it's Eminem. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Marble Run Obby Simulator with my friend Kate. I honestly don't know what it's called. Okay, this is
Marble Run Simulator, I think.
Yeah, she's finished the obby, so that's good. Red one, the start. I'm really bad at obbies, guys, so let's see if I can do one which I'm just spinning around on.
It's really fun on this one because it's got the guardrails, so you don't fall off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is wrong way. Okay, that's good. Anyway, up and down. Oh, okay, Kate went straight there. Let's go. Up and down, and up, and down, and up, and down.
I'm playing on my computer, so
I don't have a computer, which is depressing.
Okay,
Fall
this one
down.
actually has like different levels.
Is this one hard?
It's not super hard because it still has the rails.
Yeah.
Oh, I fell off.
I fell off. No. Oh, this is the one time I fell off. Go slow. I'm going slow.
It's just this bit because when you get at the end of it, then there's no guardrail.
Yeah.
So you have to go really. Yes, I did it.
Yes, you did it.
Yes.
Over Banting. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna go. I don't want to fall out of the... Okay, I fell out of the track. That was...
I'm on the next level.
Wait for me, wait.
Oh.
Wait.
I couldn't help it. Oh, I'm on green.
Good. How?
Oh, wait, here. You have to go really slow.
Oh, okay, so... I'm on the slide. I'm sliding around. Oh, I'm in green.
I can't even see the red bit. Oh, I see you now. Hi.
Hi. Oh my gosh, this is difficulty one. Oh,
I
no.
nearly fell off the rails at the start.
Yeah, I did. I'm not even touching it. I'm not even touching it right now. I'm not even touching the screen.
I'm not touching the keyboard. I'm just staring myself.
Okay, back and forth. Let's go.
Good job.
This one's easy. I'm never going to fall off in this one. Oh my gosh, as soon as I...
Guess how
Don't try it long.
Guess how many tries it took me to get this one?
How many?
Or 6?
Oh, took you 6. Don't try it low. Well, I'm going to try it. Oh, I shouldn't have tried that. I died. Coin.
Yeah, I'm trying to get all of the coins as well.
Sorry guys, another one of my friends has joined me. Ignore them.
Whoa.
It was a speed gaming.
No, there's moving tracks on this one. This one took me ages.
Oh, I don't like moving tracks. I don't like any moving things in this. In any game, actually.
It's really difficult.
Go over to spawn to customize your marble. I want to customize my marble. Can I do it?
Yes, I got the first one. How are you going, Eminem?
I'm going well. I'm just
What
waiting.
stage you at?
Still at the spinnies, but I'm waiting for the... I was just waiting for the spinny, that thingy.
The tracks to line up?
That's exactly what
Are
you
you
need.
on the green track bit? Yeah, I see you.
Why does it go so slow?
I know, it's so annoying.
Yeah.
Good point.
Yesterday I woke up at like 4 a.m. and now I had to start this whole level again because I just fell off. Oh my god. Okay.
The next level's like really easy
Yeah.
because it has the guardrails.
That's good.
Oh no, there's tilt.
Is tilt fun?
I'll wait for you here.
This one's so hard.
My jacket's creaking.
Ugh. Kate, what time did you wake up yesterday?
I don't know. Well, yesterday, 6, because I had to get up for school.
Slay. That's pretty cool.
I'm in high school, so I have to catch the bus
Wow.
at like 7:30 and then go to Sutton.
Damn.
Yeah.
That sounds painful.
It's hard to get out of bed at 6 in the morning because that's way too early.
Yeah. That sounds not fun. Like, at all.
It's not.
Oh, guys, Kate, tell these people to like and subscribe. And we go up, okay. Tell them to subscribe, Kate. Kate. Kate, you're muted. You're muted. Okay, guys. So, Kate wants to say that you guys should like and subscribe because you can't hear her.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
It's my AirPods. They don't work very well.
Slay. I'm not showing my face until I have a certain amount of subscribers, which will hopefully be soon. Oh my gosh, I made it! Almost. I made the big.
God.
I'm ready to make the big one. Close my eyes and leave.
No, I went the wrong way.
No, are you in yellow? I'm in yellow. Funnels everywhere. Wow, it's like a funnel of a spider. No. Okay, guys,
Okay,
sorry.
yellow.
Siblings, you know.
I have one sister. I love this bit. It's
I have a brother and a sister that's so annoying. Alright, let's go down. Use code marble.
Fell off on one of the funnels.
Okay, let's go. You know, my brother just got an Xbox a few days ago, and now, like, all he wants to do is play on it. When he's not playing on it, he's angry. Whoa, there's a trampoline.
I didn't get the coin.
No!
I got the coin.
Fall, Kate, fall.
Well, that's nice.
Slay. Oh my god. I just fell off. No, that's not what you do when you say slay. Is it, Kate? No. Tap. I don't know why I love tapping on things. Some part of me just loves ASMR, you know? But I can't do it
You should do some
myself.
ASMR.
Okay, guys, let's try it.
Stay tuned for an episode of ASMR.
No. Okay, stay tuned for some ASMR Robloxing. I'll do that now, actually. Boom. Is that ASMR?
No.
Okay.
That's just onomatopoeia.
Was that satisfying?
I mean, I guess so.
Hopefully you guys can't hear my siblings fighting. Oh my gosh, I'm back at the start.
No,
Free fall is so hard. I hate free fall. Fall, whatever it's called. I don't really care what it's called. Oof. Okay, how long did it take you to finish the obby?
Well, I was on this really difficult bit, so it's taken me probably over, like, more than weeks. Because I haven't played this game in a long time.
Okay, can you hear my siblings?
Pardon?
Can you hear my siblings?
Yes, I can hear them yelling in the background.
They won't be very happy to have this on YouTube, will they? Oh my god, no! Oh well.
No! I just missed it.
No.
How far are you in?
I'm still in yellow.
So am I.
I was on the
Yes, I got on the bullseye. Perfect.
Oh my gosh, I was just over there. Oh my god, no!
Did you fall?
Yes! No!
You just had a giant voice crack. I love it.
Stop. I didn't. I don't have voice cracks. Right?
No!
Like and subscribe if you guys want to see me fail more in obbies. What?
I didn't see that one.
Ah! That could be my next one. My most epic fails I've ever done. And caught on camera.
Yes, I got up to it.
Okay, should I do that one as my next video? My most epic fails caught on camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we were out. Sad.
So like, oh my gosh, I almost got that coin. Why is there another funnel? I don't like these funnels, they're rude. They try to kill me.
I get so
Just
many
die.
notifications from this one group chat. It's so annoying.
Oh my god. I hate when that happens. Hooray! Oh. So you can go for 20 minutes, that'll be fine.
I got coin.
You got a coin. Okay guys, I'm back again. Ignore that.
I'm sorry.
Exactly, yeah. Okay, anyway. Let's keep
This
doing
elevator takes so long.
I know.
It's so annoying.
It's flying. Oh, frick, I fell off. No!
Meow.
Oh my god, this is taking so long. I want to use the elevator. Why? I don't want to wait here. Oh, it's coming back down, I'm coming. Yes.
It takes really long time. Like,
The annoying part is, on the elevator, I always fall off.
I fell!
No!
No, wait, do I have to do the elevator again? No.
I'm sorry, Kate, that's me on the elevator.
No! I'm so sad.
And make you go faster. Oh, the elevator's here for you.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
The slide! Yay! Slide!
I just saw you go down.
Oh, I'm spinning on my head. Spin down. Slide. No! No!
Yeah, when you go down, you fall. It's so annoying.
No, I have to on the elevator again.
I know. That's what I had to do. I just want to get past this bit. No, I did it! I'm on the pink track.
Yes, I'm proud of you, Kate.
I'm so happy.
Oh, look, the elevator's coming down. Yes.
Oh no.
Yes, the elevator's coming down.
No. There are straight bits, Emma. I'll be right back. I just need to go somewhere.
Slay, my friends. Okay, so while Kate's busy, let's talk about that we should prank her in my next video. Come on, guys. Seriously, we should do that. That would be so fun. So I've just muted myself from Kate. You heard the beep, but anyway, so let's prank Kate. In the next video she's in. Oh my gosh, yes, I made it! Well, in the next video Kate's in, we're gonna prank her. And I'm on the prank jack. There's Kate. Okay, guys. Eminem is amazing today. I've only fallen off a whole bunch of times, but like, it's better than usual. It's better than usual. Slide. So guys, my subscriber goals, I'd hopefully have at least 10k by the end of the year.
Okay, I'm back, Emma.
Okay, hi, I muted myself so I can
I
talk
can't
about
hear
pranking you. Oops, I shouldn't have said that. Can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry, I was muted.
Oh, okay.
So we were talking about pranking you. Just kidding. No, we won't. Ever. When we look back in the video, you'll see that we totally weren't talking about pranking you.
Why are you going to prank me? I am.
And on speed. Yes, guys, I made it. Let's go.
I did not. I'm still there. I'm still at the straight one.
Yes, I'm proud of
It's difficult.
It's not difficult for me. I'm on.
Eminem, how many times have you fallen compared to me?
How many times have I fallen?
I passed you.
How many times have I fallen?
Too many.
That's not nice.
Wait, you should do like a fall count.
I should. Oh my gosh, I can try that. I'll have to relook at this video, guys, and see how many times I've fallen. Doesn't that sound so fun? And oh my god, I found this filter where I can remove like all freckles or anything from my face. I'm not going to be showing my face until I have a certain amount of subscribers, though. How many
subscribers is that?
I don't know. We haven't decided on the number. Hopefully, like 10.
Subscribe.
Maybe 10k.
10k.
I know. I wanted it to only be 1,000. Actually, no. Kate. Okay, can you video? So probably when I get my first plaque, I'm guessing I can do a face reveal.
Yeah.
Like something.
My friend has been doing YouTube for a long time.
Do they have any plaques?
Only has 250 subscribers.
Only 250. Well, guys, my goal is at least to get like 10k, not 10k, sorry, 1k subscribers by the end of the year. What does 1k mean, Kate?
1,000.
Yeah, I want 1,000 by the end of the year, guys. So help me with this. Stairway to Heaven, oh my gosh. I hate Stairway to Heaven, no. It's like an elevator, no. No. Why? So guys, you know, when you're hearing your own voice, you sound different to what other people are hearing you. So right now, like when you video your own voice, that's actually how you sound to other people. So right now, I sort of feel like my voice is sort of deep, but like other people aren't.
It doesn't actually sound too deep.
Does it sound really high to you guys? Like higher? Oh, hey Kate.
Okay. Let's see how we do.
Alright guys, so remember to like and subscribe for more videos because I am hopefully going to be, I haven't posted one in a month and I know you guys have been waiting for a month. But I've been busy, okay? Oh wait, hang on, there's a waterfall. I want to go down that. I'm going to go down. Whee! I don't want to touch the water! Let's go again. Let's go again.
Eminem, I'm screen recording.
Great job. Pretend I'm still talking to humans about my subscribers.
My sister's actually, yeah. It's me. So.
What was that hand?
My sister.
Hi, Lucy. I'm filming a YouTube video.
I heard.
Yeah. Oh, Kate.
Yeah.
I was going to say something. What level are you on?
I don't know. I made it to the next. Oh wait.
I'm still on the freaking Stairway to Heaven. Guys, I haven't brushed my hair this morning. It's so painful because I want to eat it. Yay! I said something weird so I can like fall off and bleep it out because I like bleeping stuff out.
She died. This is difficult.
Okay, I'm going to speed the Stairway up to Heaven up because this is painful. Okay, guys, I give up. I give up.
I might change that.
I'm gonna go backwards. Slay, 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 slay. Don't worry about that. Okay, so guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.